Hi everyone, I'm Kiranjeet Kaur, the designer behind this 3 BHK home interiors.
We started designing and you had one or two things which were the pointers given while designing. So how did you end up looking at those things in the house? No?
I think one of the first things was the walk-in wardrobe. So we wanted to have a bigger room, and with the 3 rooms that we had, there was only one combination possible where we could combine and make a proper room. I think that's turned out very well. Like, we're very happy, and it's always a very nice thing when anyone we show the house to enters the room and then sees how the room has become bigger, and that's always a nice addition. So when you come from the outside, they have that element of surprise. This room is actually much bigger than it looks like. So that's there. And yeah, definitely, our family has always had a house with a swing. So a swing wall
That had to be a part of it.
had to be a part of it. And I think that effortlessly just
Blends into it.
blends into everything. So yeah, that
Okay, so how was your overall experience with DesignCafe, with specific, themes maybe?
I think we entered our show for the first time in May, little end of May, and we met your team. And I think, and you were also referred to you basically by Riddhi's friend, and we ended up seeing their house and we really liked it, the way the timelines it was built and all that. So we did have a very good recommendation, but you were also very skeptical how our requirements would be met. We had also gone to other places as well to see and understand how they work and how we can do the interiors for our house. But yeah, I think the clarity of thought that we got for the ideas that we wanted to do, and we just had the layout and nothing else. And we had no soft copies, nothing of that. So we just had the physical layout, and with that, we were able to see that whatever we wanted in the house, all of those were getting ticked right in the first meeting. And yeah, basically, we liked what we saw, and then we decided to go ahead.
And I think you have been very understanding of what we needed, but at the same time, like, and you as a designer would give also realistic feedback. Like, if I were to say, no, I want this, but if it is not possible, you would be upright, upfront, and you will tell us that, okay, this is not possible. Or I've been very particular about, okay, I want only neutral colors. But you have managed to put some colors here and there to just pop out some bits of it here and there. But still, I'm very happy with it overall, that you understood what probably we had envisioned and transformed it really well into our living space.
Yeah, one thing I want to add here is also that whenever someone's looking to put their house in, and especially for a couple who both of us are working, it's very important for us that we have a designer or we have a design team that takes up the responsibility rather than just doing the job that they're supposed to do. Like, everything aside, like, it's not a task list that's being completed, but the entire house's responsibility was taken up by you guys. And that's where we really felt that, okay, you guys will actually take care of the whole project, that even if there are certain things that are outside your scope, for example, the bathrooms or designing of certain elements that were not in the DC scope, but you were say feeders and all of that. But we were like, no, if the entire house, the responsibility collectively was taken by DC and by you. And that really, we were very assured every time we spoke to you that, okay, किरणजीत है तो वो डिज़ाइन दे देंगे, वो त्रिभुवन से बात कर लेंगे, वेंडर से बात कर लेंगे, and that we always had a solution when we called it. So that way we were very much relieved that we didn't have to go to 10 places. अगर कुछ missing है, कुछ नहीं है, तो हमको कहाँ जाना है, कैसे करना है, what if this doesn't look good, then that's always a worry that whatever doesn't turn out well. But I think you handled that very well and you took up that responsibility. तो वो ownership लेना बहुत बड़ी बात है किसी भी डिज़ाइनर के लिए, and that we really appreciate. So for that we are really thankful to you कि वो हुआ, and we were much relieved. And you were also like very very busy when we were doing this, and we had a lot of other things going on also, and you know that. So for that, when this happened, we were running against the clock, but we got done in time. So we're very happy about it.
It was a pleasure. See, generally what happens is we aim towards designing the entire house. So there'll be no point if I give you a particular place, but then the decor is not in place, or the sofa for that matter, right? It will eventually, the lines that we have on the sofa are falling in the lines of the fluted panel or the designs that we have here and there. If you also look at the mandir, it has a fluted glass that also kind of blends in with the fluted panels that we have. So choti cheeze, but then it will eventually make or break the entire space. So yeah. Considering the entire house, there's always this one corner for each of you, which will be like a one cozy corner, or this area is something that I like the most. What would that be for each of you?
Me, it's the swing for sure. Like I take a book, I read here, I sit here and I read.
And it's extremely comfortable.
And if for one person you can take your feet up, you can say yes, please say yeah, that one.
Where I'm sitting right now. Yeah, I can see PlayStation, I can see my...
They're playing the peaks. They all probably pick up the poofy and start doing that.
Yeah, it does that. He has a buffet here, he'll have his feet up, then he'll play PS, call his friends over, the full thing.
Waiting for this to end up. I can get back to it.
Yeah.
We're very happy. It's a peaceful home.
Yeah, anyone who walks in says it's a very cozy place, cozy space. Like everyone, we have posted like 12 people also, all of them love being here. It's not that big a space to be in a living room for 12 people, but still everyone enjoyed it really well and they're like, nahi, cozy hai, maza aa raha hai. So yeah, kudos to you for that.
Thank you. It was great shooting this. But